motto of our colposcopy workshop is that you should be able to make a diagnosis whenever you see something on colposcopy. So let us go through a few cases where different findings are present and we all can work towards a diagnosis. So this is the first case. So what we can see in the first picture, you should be able to identify what is the magnification. It is 8 times. And then it's a naked eye. Naked eye means we have not done anything, just applied normal saline to it, and you can see this. So what do we see here? This is the new squamocolumnar junction. And here we can see some of the islands of columnar epithelium. This is the lastmost gland opening which is present. So when we have to identify the transformation zone, from this area to this imaginary line drawn where the last punctation is seen, that is the transformation zone. So first we identify that in this picture, the transformation zone is type 1. Then the second we apply is the green filter. When we apply the green filter, we must increase the magnification. Here we can see there were not many blood vessels seen, but we can see these parallel blood vessels, the small punctations. These are all fine punctations, fine blood vessels. So these are normal. Now, after application of acetic acid in the same patient, we see now the squamocolumnar junction is enhanced. It has become a bright white light, and columnar has been marked as a lesion in between the rest of the squamous epithelium. The squamous epithelium appears pink, the gland openings as red dot here, red dot here. So this is a normal picture. When we apply the Lugol's iodine, the same picture we see here. The columnar has not taken up the mahogany brown, but the squamous has. The gland opening which was present here in the first picture is now present here as a place which is devoid of the Lugol's color. These two same. So this is how a normal appearance of the colposcopy findings could be present. So this is one case where normal findings have been depicted. So if we want to characterize through the sweet score, there is no acetic acid uptake. So the question of margin does not arise. The blood vessels which were seen were fine. There is no lesion and the iodine uptake is mahogany brown. So this becomes a 0 sweet score and a normal colposcopy.